Hello, I'm Sarah, and welcome to Travel Partner Official. Join us on an exciting journey to Albania. Discover the top sights in this beautiful country. From ancient ruins to stunning beaches, vibrant cities to charming villages, Albania offers an unforgettable experience. Whether you're a history buff or nature enthusiast, Albania has something for everyone. Hit subscribe and join us in Albania. Our first stop is Tirana, the vibrant heart of Albania. This dynamic city blends Ottoman history with modern energy. In Skanderbeg Square, the statue of the national hero stands tall. Admire the colorful buildings, symbols of the city's revitalization. Explore Bloku, a trendy district with cafes, bars, and boutiques. End your day at a sidewalk cafe, enjoying strong Albanian coffee. Next, we journey to Berat, a UNESCO World Heritage Site affectionately known as the City of 1,000 Windows. Berat's iconic Ottoman-era houses cascade down towards the Osumi River. Wander through the cobblestone streets of Mangalem and Gorica quarters. These neighborhoods offer a glimpse into Albania's rich cultural tapestry. Don't miss the magnificent Berat Castle. Berat is a testament to Albania's enduring beauty and charm. Our Albanian adventure continues in Gjirokastër, another UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its remarkably well-preserved Ottoman architecture. Often called the City of Stone, Gjirokastër is a labyrinth of cobbled streets, towering stone houses, and imposing fortresses. A visit to the Gjirokastër fortress transports us back to a time of powerful rulers and strategic strongholds. From the fortress walls, we're treated to breathtaking panoramic views of the city below and the surrounding mountains. Gjirokastër is a living museum, a testament to Albania's Ottoman past and a true architectural gem of the Balkans. Prepare to be captivated by the Albanian Riviera, a stunning stretch of coastline along the Ionian Sea. With its crystal-clear turquoise waters, secluded coves, and pristine beaches, the Albanian Riviera rivals the beauty of its more famous neighbors, Greece and Croatia. From the bustling seaside town of Himara to the tranquil shores of Durmi, the Riviera offers a diverse range of experiences. Relax on sun-drenched beaches, swim in the inviting waters, or explore hidden caves accessible only by boat. The Albanian Riviera is a true paradise, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. For nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers, a trip to Albania wouldn't be complete without venturing into the accursed mountains, also known as the Albanian Alps. These majestic mountains, with their jagged peaks, verdant valleys, and pristine glacial lakes, offer some of the most awe-inspiring scenery in all of Europe. Embark on challenging hikes through rugged terrain, passing by traditional villages where time seems to have stood still. Whether you're an experienced hiker or simply looking for a scenic escape into nature, the accursed mountains will leave you breathless with their raw beauty and untamed wilderness. Let's step back in time as we explore Bygone National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's home to the remarkable ruins of the ancient city of Bygone. This archaeological wonder, nestled on a peninsula surrounded by a lagoon and the Vivari Channel, offers a captivating glimpse into Albania's rich past. Marvel at the well-preserved Roman amphitheater. Imagine the gladiatorial contests of old, and explore the ruins of Roman baths, a basilica, and a baptistery. Bygone National Park is a journey through time, a testament to the enduring legacy of civilizations past. Prepare to be mesmerized by the Blue Eye, or Siri Y Kalter, a natural spring of extraordinary beauty. Located near the town of Muzin, the Blue Eye is a deep, water-filled sinkhole with an intense blue color that seems to glow from within. As we gaze into the depths of the spring, we're struck by the clarity of the water and the mystery of its source. The Blue Eye is a true natural wonder, a hidden gem that will leave a lasting impression on all who visit. Our journey takes us to Kruja Castle, a historic fortress perched high above the town of Kruja. This castle holds immense historical significance as the stronghold of Skanderbeg, the national hero who famously resisted the Ottoman Empire in the 15th century. Visit the Skanderbeg Museum, located within the castle walls, to learn more about the life and legacy of this Albanian legend. From the ramparts, enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding countryside, stretching all the way to the Adriatic Sea on a clear day. Kruja Castle is a powerful reminder of Albanian resilience and a testament to the enduring spirit of a nation. Buckle up for a scenic drive along the Logara Pass, a breathtaking route through the Sirionian Mountains, connecting the Albanian Riviera. The views become increasingly dramatic, with rugged mountains plunging into the turquoise Ionian Sea. Stop at lookout points to appreciate the scenery. Hiking trails lead to spectacular viewpoints. The Logara Pass is a photographer's dream and a must-do road trip in Albania. Our journey through time continues as we explore the ancient city of Apollonia, one of the most important archaeological sites in Albania. Founded by Greek colonists in the 6th century BC, Apollonia was once a thriving city and a center of trade and culture. Admire the well-preserved Roman columns, explore the remains of a theater and a stadium, and visit the on-site museum to learn more about the history of Apollonia and see artifacts unearthed during excavations. Surrounded by olive groves and rolling hills, Apollonia offers a serene and evocative glimpse into Albania's ancient past. For a deeper understanding of Albania's rich and complex history, a visit to the National Museum of History in Tirana is a must. This museum houses an impressive collection of artifacts and exhibits that span from antiquity to the present day. Learn about the country's struggles for independence, its cultural heritage, and its journey towards democracy. The National Museum of History is a valuable resource for anyone seeking to delve deeper into the heart and soul of Albania. Calling all adventure enthusiasts. Get ready to experience the beauty of the Osumi Canyon, a natural wonder carved by the Osumi River over millions of years. Located near the city of Berat, the Osumi Canyon offers thrilling opportunities for hiking, rafting, and kayaking. Hike along the canyon rim, marvel at the towering cliffs and the turquoise waters of the river below, and take a refreshing dip in one of the natural pools. The Osumi Canyon is a true adventurer's paradise, a testament to the power of nature and a must-visit for thrill seekers. After all our adventures, let's take a break and indulge in some well-deserved relaxation at the Benja Thermal Baths. Located near the town of Permet, these natural hot springs have been renowned for their therapeutic properties since Roman times. Immerse yourself in the warm, mineral-rich waters, surrounded by lush vegetation, and feel your worries melt away. Whether you're seeking a romantic escape or simply a day of pampering, the Benja Thermal Baths offer a tranquil and rejuvenating experience. To gain a deeper understanding of traditional Albanian life, a visit to the Ethnographic Museum in Gjirokastër is a must. Housed in a beautifully preserved 18th century Ottoman era house, this museum offers a fascinating glimpse into the customs, traditions, and daily life of Albanians in centuries past. Explore exhibits showcasing traditional costumes, tools, furniture, and crafts. A visit to the Ethnographic Museum in Gjirokastër is a journey back in time, a way to connect with the heart and soul of Albanian culture. Our Albanian adventure culminates on the idyllic Ksamil Islands, often referred to as the Ionian Pearls. Located just off the coast near Saranda, these 4 small islands are a true slice of paradise. With their pristine white sand beaches, crystal-clear turquoise waters, and lush vegetation, the Ksamil Islands are perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and snorkeling. Rent a paddleboat or a kayak and explore the islands at your own pace, discovering hidden coves and enjoying the tranquility of this coastal paradise. The Ksamil Islands are the perfect ending to our Albanian adventure, a place to relax, unwind, and soak in the beauty of this hidden gem of the Balkans. And there you have it, our whirlwind tour of the top 15 must-do activities in Albania. From exploring ancient ruins and hiking through breathtaking mountains, to relaxing on pristine beaches and immersing ourselves in the country's rich culture, Albania has truly captured our hearts. If you're looking for an off-the-beaten-path destination with stunning scenery, fascinating history, and warm hospitality, Albania is calling your name. We hope this video has inspired you to add Albania to your travel bucket list. Don't forget to subscribe to Travel Partner Official for more exciting travel adventures and tips. Until next time, happy travels!